Hi, I'm Wayne with Headsets Direct. I want to take a few minutes and give you a quick overview of the Klein Dispatch-15 push-to-talk amplifier. So here's the new amp. This came out in 2026, and this is the closest thing we've found to replace the Poly SHS1890s, which were discontinued in 2025. So it feels the same, it looks the same, it functions the same. So I think a lot of people will be very excited to get this in their hands. It has the same feel. It has the push-to-talk button on the back that can be momentary or permanent with the turning of the dial there. It has the metal belt clip, has a lanyard so you can cinch it around your wrist so you don't drop the amp if you're holding it all the time. It goes up to the Poly quick disconnect, so you can use any of the typical Poly headsets that you're used to. This is again, the Klein Dispatch-15. 15 indicates it's a 15-foot cable. Once you stretch the coiled cord, it will give 15 feet of reach. There's also a Dispatch-25 if you want the longer length. Just get with us and we can special order that one as needed. And it goes down to the same looking two-prong PJ7 jack that will go into your console. So again, this is the Klein Dispatch-15, very popular because of the push-to-talk that is used or required in 911 dispatch centers, air traffic control. Many different emergency government agencies need this push-to-talk, and if anybody needs that two-prong adapter, this is the way to go. So if you have questions on this or any other products and you want to work with an authorized dealer, please give us a call at Headsets Direct, 1-800-914-7996, or visit us online at www.headsetsdirect.com. Thanks for watching.